Hello friends, let's see the names of planets and stars in our universe. चला आपल्या विश्वातील ग्रह आणि ताऱ्यांची नावे पाहूया. Sun. Sun means सूर्य. Moon. Moon means चंद्र. Earth. Earth means पृथ्वी. Mars. Mars means मंगळ. Mercury. Mercury means बुध. Jupiter. Jupiter means Guru. Venus. Venus means Shukra. Saturn. Saturn means Shani. Uranus. Uranus means Arun. Neptune. Neptune means Varun. Pluto means Pluto. Asterism. Asterism means Tarka. Asteroid. Asteroid means Laghu Graha. Astrology. Astrology means Jyotish Shastra. Astronomy. Astronomy means Khagol Shastra. Big Dipper. Big Dipper means Saptarshi. Comet. Comet means Dhumketu. Constellation means Tarkapunja. Cosmic rays means Vaishvik Kiran. Cosmos. Cosmos means Vishwa Vyavastha. Crescent means Chandrakor. Eclipse. Eclipse means Grahan. Flying saucer means उडती तबकडी. Full moon. Full moon means Purnima. Galaxy. Galaxy means Akashganga. Heaven. Heaven means Swarga. Horizon. Horizon means Kshitij. Lunar. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse means Chandragrahan. Meteor means Ulka. Meteoric falls means Ulkapat. Moonrise. Moonrise means Chandra Uday. Moonlight. Moonlight means Chandraचा प्रकाश. Orbit of sun means सूर्याची कक्षा. Orbit means कक्षा. Planetarium means तारांगण. Pole star. Pole star means ध्रुव तारा. Rumble. Rumble means ढगांचा गडगडाट किंवा खडखडाट. Satellite. Satellite means उपग्रह. Sky. Sky means आकाश. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse means सूर्यग्रहण. Space. Space means अंतरिक्ष. Universe. Universe means ब्रह्मांड. World. World means जग. Full moon day. Full moon day means पौर्णिमेचा दिवस. Sunset. Sunset means सूर्यास्त. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and do share, like and comment. Thank you.